Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Earlier this month, Honor pushed an update for Honor Play 3 optimizing night mode and other features. In addition to these optimizations, Honor has now pushed a new EMUI update including another set of improvements for this smartphone. According to Huawei updates, Honor Play 3 receiving optimizations for the camera, video calling and December 2019 security update. This new software update for Honor Play comes with EMUI version 9.1.1.140 with the size of 378 megabytes. This update is only available for Chinese consumers because of its exclusive availability.